Checking with weather with Chief Meteorologist Isaac Williams, tracking comfortable temperatures tonight.
Yeah, hard to believe. Still in this summer season, Jeremiah. We're talking about lows in the 60s tonight. Right now it's 73 in Brownsville. Winds out of the northwest at 6 miles per hour. What I want you to focus on is the dew point temperature. Well down in the lower 60s, around 62. We even have a few spots, Edinburgh and McAllen, in the upper 50s for dew point temperatures. And we kind of want to explain this to you. Anytime it gets under 60, it basically feels fantastic outside. Right now, the Brownsville dew point of 62 checks in between feeling great and feeling good, and it's really felt like that all day today. Even though we did get into the 80s earlier this afternoon, it has not been without, or I should say, the humidity didn't come with it, so it felt pleasant all day long. Passing clouds tonight, lows dropping into the upper 60s. The winds stay up since we do have a tropical storm fairly close by, moving into the middle Texas coast. Winds around that system will stay up overnight, but no issues here in terms of wind or rain. Highs tomorrow, mid to upper 80s on the way, a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Your sunrise time, 7:19. Winds out of the northwest again between 10 and 20 miles per hour. We'll see some gusts up to 30 at times. Let's look at Futurecast. Stopping the clock in the morning, 7 a.m. Tropical Storm Beta getting closer to the coastline here, just southwest of Houston near Port O'Connor. We are on the west and dry side of the system, so we don't expect any rain for your Monday. And we're going to continue to see this system basically hug the Texas coast, kind of wiggle around here a little bit during the day on Tuesday, but eventually get a kick to the north and east by Tuesday night into Wednesday. All the while, we're still dry here in the RGV. I don't expect any rain for the next couple of days. As Beta makes its approach, we do have tropical storm warnings in effect from near Corpus Christi all the way around the bend here up into southwestern Louisiana. Tropical storm watches continue for Corpus Christi. Wind still 60 miles per hour with the storm moving west-northwest at 6 miles per hour. Looking pretty sloppy on satellite this evening, which is a good thing because we don't expect any strengthening. And the reason it's looking pretty weak across the region, a lot of this drier air, labeled in orange right here, is actually being kind of wrapped around into the system, and hurricanes and tropical storms like not dry air. And so that's the reason that it continues to not strengthen as it makes its approach to the coastline sometime tomorrow night. Again, forecast track from the Hurricane Center basically agrees with our computer forecast model. It is going to pull it into Louisiana and Mississippi Wednesday and on Thursday. Then in the Atlantic, we have Teddy, still a Category 2 storm. Winds of 105. It's moving north-northwest very slowly at 6 miles per hour. Going to be passing very close to Bermuda and then making its way up into the far northern Atlantic and likely moving over Nova Scotia. So the far southeastern Canadian Maritimes likely to be impacted by this system. No other issues in the Atlantic, so that's some good news. Finally getting a chance to kind of quiet things down in the tropics. We're back to 90 tomorrow. Tuesday, which ironically is the start of the fall season. And then the rest of the week, it's feeling more like summer. A lot of sunshine on the way here. And really for the next 7 days, it does not look like we're going to see measurable rain here. Tomorrow is the last day we'll be in the 80s starting on Tuesday into the weekend. Jeremiah will be in the 90s.